Imagine breathing in the crisp, clean air of a mountaintop, right from your living room or office. With Xire's portable air quality monitor, you can achieve just that. This compact device is not only your personal guardian against harmful pollutants, but also a testament to Xire's decade-long commitment to excellence in scientific instrumentation. Xire, a leading manufacturer with over 10 years of experience in crafting top-notch detection devices and testing instruments, presents its latest innovation designed to elevate your indoor air quality. Our monitors are engineered with precision to ensure accurate readings, allowing you to make informed decisions about your environment. This smart companion fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering real-time data on air purity. Whether you're working from home or in a bustling office, it keeps you aware of potential allergens and toxins, ensuring your space remains a sanctuary of health. To show our dedication to customer satisfaction, we are excited to offer a special deal. Be among the first to experience the difference with Xire. You can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product. For personalized assistance, experience peace of mind knowing the air you breathe is as pure as nature intended. Let Xire be your trusted partner in creating a healthier, more breathable world, one breath at a time.